Greetings boys and girls, hope you're doing well. In today's series I'll show you how to fix this crappy fan noise of your new GPU. Listen. My Gigabyte 1660, 1650, my current Gigabyte RTX 2060, all these cards were brand new and had the same problem. It didn't affect performance at all, but was so annoying. Don't panic at the disco, solution is very easy, check it. First of all, you need to unscrew these four bodies. Take a small piece of rubber or other suitable material about 2 mm thick. I used several layers of heat shrink. Cut it into small pieces and place them on the fan mounts like this. Carefully screw it back, the pieces should keep their place. Easy game. As I said, this simple trick helped me with my last 3 Gigabyte cards. Please leave a comment if it worked for you or not, also share your solutions. That's all for today, thanks for watching, much more coming, so stay tuned. Be healthy and positive, see you in Robberland, folks.